Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got I Want a Platinum Mine and On the Nice List and Beauty Big Bang XL030. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and here is I Want a Platinum Mine from Sista Chic Lacquer and China Glaze On the Nice List. This is one of those mini toppers that was in the Christmas collection. So I'm going to go in with the I Want a Platinum Mine. Gotta get it right. Once again, y'all have already seen me use this polish before, but I figured it would pair so perfectly with this red tiny bar glitter. Look at this. Such a pretty manicure. Now technically, I know Christmas is over. These nails were done before Christmas. I'm trying to work my way through polishes that I wanted to use. So I'm going to top it with some Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat so that we can do a little bit of playing on that accent nail. I am going to stamp that nail. And I won't be using a Christmas image, but I know the colors are kind of Christmassy. But you know, we can extend, you know, looks if we want to. And you can put anything you want on your nails anytime you want. But I really did like this. And I also think that that little tiny bar glitter would be great for using for a 4th of July manicure. Here is Beauty Big Bang XL030. I've got my Conad stamper, my beauty scraper. This is clean color and it's metallic red, a regular nail polish that I love to stamp with. So we're going to just go ahead and pull this image off the corner. It's got snowflakes and swirls. You guys know how I feel about the swirls. I love them. But I thought this color would match the topper really well. So there we go. I'm going to clean that stamper off on my lint roller. And that plate is going to get cleaned with pure acetone. And there we go. Ta-da! I am going to do a little bit of cleaning up on that accent nail with my cleanup brush. Making sure I don't have any flyaways or anything. And then I'm just going to straight up top it with some Poshe top coat. This wasn't a stamping polish and I know that it dries really fast, really well. So I wasn't worried about smudging on this one. There we go. I'm going to cap my free edge. So this one was a quick one. Here's my mani in motion. I do have a swatch photo coming. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.